This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a targeted inspection of the chair so you know what to fix first. Start with the frame joints, brakes, tires, and axle quick releases. These fail most often. Once done, remove cushions to access bolts and bearings and lay tools within reach. You need the right wrenches, 10 mm and 13 mm, and a hex set because many parts use those sizes. Make sure to lock the brakes and work on a level surface so nothing shifts while you loosen fasteners. You now disassemble the problem area methodically, starting with the wheel if wobble or bearing noise is present. Loosen axle nuts evenly to prevent binding. Lay out washers and spacers in order so reassembly is exact. Once the wheel is off, spin the hub and check bearings, replace if gritty, then regrease new or serviced bearings before reinstallation. If the rim wobbles, true the spoke tension carefully or swap the rim. For flat tires, replace the tube or tire. You finish by reassembling every component in the same order you removed it, making sure spacers and washers return to their original locations. Tighten nuts to firm torque, snug but not over-tightened, then set brake pad clearance and caster alignment so the chair tracks straight. Once assembled, perform a controlled indoor road test. Push, turn, and brake while listening for noises and watching for wobble. If you detect play or rubbing, stop and recheck fastener torque and bearing per load. That single check solves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.